Instagram is often described as being Twitter with images, and this is largely a fair description of what the social media platform does and how it works. But to say that is all there is to Instagram would be a big disservice. Instagram is actually an incredibly powerful tool, a highly nuanced platform, and something that deserves a big place in every single internet marketing campaign. And now, Instagram has added to its roster of capabilities even further with its awesome Stories function. Instagram has gone from being an indispensable and highly underused tool for engaging with an audience and establishing authority to being something even more powerful, an opportunity to bring your fans along with you and to let them feel like they're really a part of your brand. In this video series, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Instagram and how you can use it, along with all of its most modern features, in order to build massive trust and influence and have a huge impact on your audience. At the same time, we'll be taking a more in-depth look specifically at Instagram Stories. You'll see why this is an incredibly important addition from a marketing perspective and how you can start using it right away to make the biggest impact possible. Instagram will often be relegated to afterthought in a number of internet marketing campaigns. If you have an ebook or a blog to promote, there's a good chance you will have thought long and hard about how you're going to handle your SEO and how you're going to dominate Facebook, but won't have given much consideration at all to how you're going to kill it on Instagram. This is a big mistake, of course, as you'll learn in this video. In fact, you only need to take a look at how other brands are treating Instagram to see why it's such a big deal. And what you'll find when you do look into this is that an awful lot of money is spent on Instagram. There are countless brands spending large amounts of cash investing in influencers or becoming influencers themselves. Many particularly savvy individuals have even managed to make a full-time living on Instagram by getting high-paying sponsors to support their channel. Brands are willing to support channels in this way because they know what a massive impact Instagram can have on an audience. Instagram is not only impressive in terms of the numbers, but also in the engagement and the way it's able to sell a dream. Like they say, a picture tells 1,000 words. Add some impressive filters and your word count goes up big time. And while you might not think of Instagram right away as one of the main social media channels, well, you really should think again. Instagram actually has an incredible 500 million users, which is 1 million more than last year. That makes it the second largest social media platform just behind Facebook, and it's actually bigger than Twitter. What's more, Instagram is growing faster than the majority of other platforms. It does appear to be somewhat slowing down in the growth department, but it's still a juggernaut with incredible momentum when compared with other platforms. Instagram also has more monthly advertisers than Twitter, and engagement is also particularly high. Instagram has over 500 million active monthly users, and those users have shared over 40 billion photos in total. That's 95 million photos and videos each day. Instagram also has some other very appealing statistics behind it. For example, it's one of the very best platforms for reaching women. In fact, 31% of all American women use Instagram, compared with 24% of all American men. This is a great opportunity for brands that are marketing their goods to women. It also has a particularly international audience, with 80% of users being outside the United States. A survey conducted by Iconosquare in 2015 revealed that 70% of users have sought out a brand to follow on Instagram at some point. 62% have followed brands they love, and 41% are open to marketing messages and discounts. 65% of users also reported that they found it flattering when a brand liked their post. All this engagement sounds great on paper, but it's actually even better when you compare it with other platforms. Instagram, according to research firm L2, actually has 18 times more engagement than Facebook or Twitter. From your standpoint as an advertiser, Instagram also has a lot of advantages. one being the fact that it's so quick and convenient to use. The great thing about Instagram is that all you have to do is point a camera phone and shoot. There's no need to come up with a witty comment or a good idea. Posting to Instagram is fast, but it can have massive impact, and this translates to incredible ROI. In this video series, we will be taking a deep dive into Instagram and particularly into the latest feature, Instagram Stories. You'll learn how Instagram works, how to make the very most of its different features, and how to leverage these, as well as Instagram Stories, to make a massive impact on a huge audience. Instagram really does have the power to transform your brand and drive massive sales. You just need to know how to make the very most of it. Watch this space and you'll learn just that. A small selection of the things we'll cover includes a rundown on Instagram's features and history, how to create stunning images and photos that really grab attention, how to build and grow your audience to incredible heights, how to ensure maximum engagement, how to drive sales and downloads from your account, how to use live video and Instagram stories in order to create an even more powerful relationship with your viewers, how to monetize your Instagram account, how to integrate Instagram with your other social media activities and internet marketing strategies, how to attract and acquire sponsors to earn a living solely from Instagram, and much more.